Good morning. Welcome to another edition of GTA Group Therapy Arsenal. I'm here at the range in the forest, and today we're going to be zeroing in a CVLife 6 to 24 by 50 AOEG CVLife scope. We're going to be zeroing in about. We're going to start off at 50, then go to 100 once we get everything calibrated on the scope. And I'm using my 308 Savage Access 2 with everything components with CVLife on it. But we're going to get set up here in a minute and get the ball rolling. I hope everybody's having a good day, and thank you for watching the channel. Please, if you like the channel, please like and subscribe so I can put more content on here. Well, let's get it rolling. Well, my first couple shots, I'm a little down to the right, so I adjusted the scope. It's in milliliters. It's 1 click for a 1/4 of 100 yards. So hopefully this adjustment works out. Take a couple more shots and see what's going on. After those few shots right there, I'm about 1 inch low. I'm looking through the scope now. Looks like 1 inch low, dead center. I'm just going to adjust this a little bit. Let's see. I'm gonna go back to the right. 1 inch. And I'm just gonna go back to there and just see. That should be where I want it. Hopefully the next 4 be where I want it, and we can move on to the next thing. So I'm gonna take the last 4 shots on camera. It should be dead on right now. Okay. Still at 1 inch low. Let's try that. Last shot. Well, I like my grouping. Like I said, it's just a little hair low. I'll keep it where it's at. And not bad. I like the scope. Of course, I like everything CVLife makes. I'm a budget man, as I told you before. Put these caps back on. And like I said, we'll move on to the next CVLife pistol optic. We're gonna set that up. You guys have a good day. Thank you.